Hello student, at last lecture we have seen the classification of the alcohol, phenol and ether. Now today we are going to discuss the nomenclature of alcohols, phenols and ethers. First of all, nomenclature of alcohols. There are two systems for nomenclature of alcohols. First one, common name system, and second one is IUPAC system. In common name system, alcohols are named as alkyl alcohol, and in IUPAC system named as alkanols by replacing E of corresponding alkane by ol, that is alkanols. Again, higher alcohol are named as normal, primary, secondary, iso and neo in common name system. Then first example, suppose CH3OH. In this example, it contains CH3, that means methyl group, hence common name of this compound is methyl alcohol. And in IUPAC system, name of this compound is, that means by replacing E of corresponding methane by ol, name of this is methanol. Then second example, CH3CH2OH. In this compound, it contains two carbon atom. That means it is derivative of ethane, hence alkyl group is here ethyl group, hence name of this compound is ethyl alcohol. And in IUPAC system, by replacing E of corresponding ethane by ol, name of this compound becomes ethanol. Then third example, that is CH3CH2CH2OH. Here alkyl group is propyl, and all these carbon atoms are in straight chain, hence name of this compound is N-propyl alcohol. And in IUPAC system, then there are three carbon atoms in a straight chain, that means CH3CH2OH. Suppose this is carbon number first, carbon number second and carbon number third. In straight chain, there are three carbon atoms. It is derivative of propane. Then by replacing E of corresponding propane by OL, name of this compound becomes propanol. And again, this OH group is attached on first carbon atom, hence write here 1 before this ol, and name of this compound is propane 1-ol. Then next compound, that is CH3, and on second carbon atom there is hydroxy group is present, hence in this compound there are also three carbon atoms, but this propyl group is isopropyl group. This propyl group here isopropyl group, hence common name of this compound becomes isopropyl alcohol. And in IUPAC system, again there are three carbon atoms in straight chain. It is derivative of propane, and on second carbon atom hydroxy group is present here, hence name of this compound becomes propane 2-ol. Here hydroxy group on second carbon atom, hence name of this compound is propane 2-ol. Again, these two examples are isomers of each other. Isomers means compound having same molecular formula and different structural formulae. Hence these are isomers. Names of these compounds are different, that is propane 1-ol and propane 2-ol. Then fifth example, CH3CH2CH2OH. CH3CH2CH2OH. In this compound, in straight chain, there are four carbon atoms. Hence, alkyl group of this here, butyl group. Again, all these four carbon atom in a straight chain, hence name of this compound is N-butyl alcohol. And in IUPAC system, again write numbers to this carbon atom, first, second, third and fourth. This hydroxy group present on first carbon atom, hence name of this compound is butane 1-ol. Then next example, CH3CH, CH3CH2OH. This is also butyl group. But in this example, this butyl group is isobutyl group. This butyl group is isobutyl group, hence name of this compound is isobutyl alcohol. Name of this compound becomes isobutyl alcohol. And IUPAC name, again select longest chain containing hydroxy group, then write numbers from which side, from right hand side. Suppose this is carbon number 1, carbon number 2 and carbon number 3. Then again in this straight chain there are 3 carbon atom, hence it is derivative of propane and propanol. On second carbon atom 1 methyl branch here, hence name of this compound becomes 2-methyl propanol or 2-methyl propane 1-ol. The next example, CH2OH, CH2OH. In this example, this CH2 group, these are called as ethylene group, and on this ethylene there are 2 hydroxy groups are attached here on adjacent carbon atom. Such type of compounds are called as glycol. Glycol means there are 2 hydroxy groups, hence name of this common name of this compound becomes ethylene glycol. And IUPAC name of this compound, that is, as it contains 2 carbon atom, it is derivative of ethane. In this compound, this E of this corresponding alkane, it do not write here. It write only here ethane 1,2-diol. This E retain in this ethane and write here ethane 1,2-diol. The name of this compound is ethane 1,2-diol. Then next example, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. In this compound there are 3 carbon atom. It is derivative of propylene. As it contains 3 carbon atom, it is derivative of propylene. Again there are more than 2 hydroxy group, that means it is also called as glycol. Hence name of this compound is propylene glycol. And IUPAC name of this compound, again it is derivative of propane. Again E of this corresponding alkane written as it is, and name of this compound is propane 1,2,3-triol. Name of this compound is propane 1,2,3-triol. Triol means it contains 3 hydroxy groups. Then next one, in this compound it contains carbon-carbon double bond. That means it is derivative of alkene. In this compound again there are 4 carbon atom. Hence it is derivative of butene, 4 carbon atom and 1 carbon-carbon double bond. Hence it is derivative of butene. And also it contains hydroxy group on first carbon atom. Suppose this is carbon number 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Then common name of this compound is crotonyl alcohol. And IUPAC name of this compound, that means as it contains 4 carbon atom, it is derivative of butene, hence write here but. Then 2 means there is carbon-carbon double bond in 2nd and 3rd carbon atom. Hence lowest number is 2, hence write here 2. In for, that is carbon-carbon double bond for alkene. But 2 in and 1-ol, this for hydroxy group is attached to first carbon atom. Hence name of this compound becomes but 2 in 1-ol. Then last example of this alcohol, that is, suppose this cyclic compound. In this compound there are 4 carbon atoms. Hence it is derivative of cyclobutane. On this cyclobutane, hydroxy group is attached. Hence name of this compound becomes cyclobutanol. Again by replacing E of this corresponding cyclobutane by ol, name of this compound becomes cyclobutanol. In this way there are common and IUPAC name of these alcohols. Then next one, that is nomenclature of phenols. There are also two systems, common name system and IUPAC system. In common name system, name of these are as phenols, and in IUPAC system, these are named as benzenols, or this phenol word is also accepted by IUPAC system. Then first example, that is this hydroxy group is directly attached to this benzene nucleus, it is called as phenol, and in IUPAC system this is called as benzenol. Then second example, that is on this benzene nucleus, again one hydroxy group is directly attached to this benzene nucleus, and at ortho position there is CH3 group, one methyl group, hence common name of this compound is orthocresol. Common name of this compound is orthocresol, and IUPAC name of this compound is 2-methylphenol. That means this methyl group is attached on this second carbon atom. This phenol hydroxy group attached on this carbon atom is always carbon number 1, and hence this carbon number 2. Hence name of this compound becomes 2-methylphenols. Then third example, again this derivative of suppose phenols, and at fourth position or at para position there is nitro group is attached. Suppose this is carbon number 1st, this is carbon number 2nd, 3rd and 4th. This is para position, 1,4 position means para position, or this is also called as 1,4 nitrophenol. In common name system these are called as para nitrophenol, and in IUPAC system these are named as 4-nitrophenol. In common name system write prefix ortho, para, meta, etc. And in IUPAC system write numbers 1 to 5. Then next one, that is this OH group attach on this 1 and 2nd position or at ortho position. Hence common name of this compound is catechol. Common name of this compound is catechol, and in IUPAC system suppose it is derivative of benzene, and 1st and 2nd carbon atom 2 hydroxy groups are present, hence name of this compound is benzene 1,2-diol. Diol means again there are 2 hydroxy groups, hence it is called as diol. Then next example, again it is diol, but position of this hydroxy group at 1 and 4. Suppose this is 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th position. Common name of this compound is hydroquinone, or simply it is called as quinol. And in IUPAC system, suppose again this is derivative of benzene and hydroxy group at 1 and 4 position, hence name of this compound becomes benzene 1,4-diol. The next example, in this example there are 3 hydroxy group. Suppose this is carbon number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. Hydroxy group at 1st, 3rd and 5th position. At 1st, 3rd and 5th position. Hence common name of this compound is fluoroglucinol, and IUPAC system write numbers of this hydroxy group, that is 1st, 3rd and 5th, which are attached on benzene nucleus, hence name of this compound becomes benzene 1,3,5-triol. Name of this compound becomes benzene 1,3,5-triols. Then last example, again there are 3 hydroxy groups. Then write numbers again. Suppose this is carbon 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. Then name numbers of this compound, common name of this compound is pyrogalol. And in IUPAC system, again suppose this is derivative of benzene and this hydroxy group at 1st, 2nd and 3rd position. Hence name of this compound becomes benzene 1,2,3-triol. Name of this compound becomes benzene 1,2,3-triol. In this way there are some examples of common and IUPAC system. The next one, nomenclature of ethers. In ethers we know that is there is for representation is ROR. This ROR, this alkyl group may be same or different. Suppose ROR, this is called as simple ether, and if these R groups are different, these are called as mixed ether. In common name system, these are named as, if these two alkyl groups are same, these are named as dialkyl ether. These are named as dialkyl ether. And if these alkyl groups are different, these are named as alkyl ether in common name system. And in IUPAC system, these are named as alkoxyalkane. In common IUPAC system, these are named as alkoxyalkane. Alkoxyalkane means in ROR, suppose one is alkoxy group and remaining is representation of higher alkane. In this way, these are named as alkoxyalkane. Suppose first example, CH3O CH3. In this compound, both alkyl groups are same. Hence, write here di. Name of these alkyl groups are methyl. Hence, name of this compound is dimethyl, and write here suffix ether. Hence, name of this compound becomes dimethyl ether. And in IUPAC system, suppose this CH3O is considered as an alkoxy group and this is represented as alkane. Then name of this alkoxy group is, it contains only one carbon atom which contains two oxygen atom. Hence, name of this alkoxy group is methoxy. Name of this alkoxy group is methoxy, and this CH3 group, suppose is considered as a methane. Hence, name of this compound becomes methoxymethane. First example named as methoxymethane. Then second example, that is again here one CH3 group and one CH3CH2 means C2H5 group. Again in this compound, one alkyl group considered as a alkoxy group and another alkyl groups considered as a corresponding alkane. In this example, compound containing alkyl group containing lower carbon atom is considered as a alkoxy group in such type of ether. That means here two alkyl groups are different. Hence, lower alkyl group which attach to oxygen, it is considered as a alkoxy group. That means here this is alkoxy group and it is corresponding alkane. The name of this alkoxy group is, that is, it contains only one carbon atom which again attached to oxygen. Again name of this alkoxy group is methoxy. Name of this alkoxy group is methoxy. But this alkane contains two carbon atom. Hence name of this compound is methoxyethane. IUPAC name of this compound is methoxyethane. Then next example, that means one is CH3 group, another is C3H7 group. Again one is methyl group, another is propyl group. There are two different alkyl group. Lower alkyl groups attached to oxygen atom is again here methyl. Hence alkoxy group is here again methoxy, and here 3 carbon atoms attach on this oxygen atom in a straight chain. Hence name of this compound is 1-methoxypropane. Common name at first, name of this compound is methyl N-propyl ether. Methyl N-propyl ether. That means this N-propyl oxygen is attached to first carbon atom which is attached to straight chain. Hence name of this compound is methyl N-propyl ether. And IUPAC name of this compound, again this is methoxy group. Hence write here at first methoxy. Then it contains 3 carbon atom. Hence it is derivative of propane. Hence name of this compound is methoxypropane. Again this methoxy group is attached to first carbon atom. Hence write here number at starting, that is 1-methoxypropane. Hence IUPAC name of this compound is 1-methoxypropane. Then fourth example, CH3O CH3CH CH3. Here also this methyl group and here also propyl group. But this propyl group is isopropyl group. In this third example, this propyl group is N-propyl group, and in this example this propyl group is isopropyl group. Hence common name of this compound is isopropyl methyl ether. Common name of this compound is isopropyl methyl ether. And IUPAC name, again in this straight chain, suppose this is carbon first, second and third of this propane. On this second carbon atom, again this methoxy group is attached, OCH3 group. This is alkoxy group. This name again methoxy, but this methoxy group attach on second carbon atom. Hence, name of this compound becomes 2-methoxypropane. Name of this compound becomes 2-methoxy, and in straight chain 3 carbon atom. Hence, it is derivative of propane. The next example, C6H5OCH3. Here on this oxygen atom, one phenyl group is attached and one methyl group is attached. C6H5 means phenyl group is attached. Hence, name of this compound is again, that is methyl phenyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether. And what is IUPAC name? That is, suppose it is derivative of benzene. C6H5 means here on this benzene nucleus OCH3 group is attached, that is methoxy group is attached. This is methoxy group. Hence, write at first here methoxy and then here benzene. Hence, IUPAC name of this compound becomes methoxybenzene. The next one, that is again phenyl group. On this oxygen atom, one is phenyl group and one is propyl group is attached here. Hence, name of this compound, that is phenyl N-propyl ether. Again, this propyl group in a straight chain. Hence, name of this compound is phenyl N-propyl ether. Then, name of this compound, again suppose this is derivative of benzene and this is alkoxy group. Suppose this is alkoxy group. Name of this alkoxy group is propoxy. Name of this alkoxy group is propoxy. That means it contains 3 carbon atom and oxygen. Hence, name of this propoxy, and here benzene. Hence, name of this compound is 1-propoxybenzene. IUPAC name of this compound is 1-propoxybenzene. And last one again here cyclic compound, that is on this cyclobutane, it contains 4 carbon atom. In this cyclobutane, suppose this is carbon number first, second, third and fourth. On second carbon atom, that is methoxy group is attached, and here methoxy group. Hence, name of this compound is 1-methoxy 2,2-dimethyl cyclobutane. Name of this compound is 1-methoxy 2,2-dimethyl cyclobutane. In this way, there are some examples of this common name system and IUPAC system of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Okay, now today we will stop here. Thank you for watching.